Then this right now is the piece installed into the patchwork. Now we're going to do how to do a first coat with the Durabond. So the materials that's going to be need is a bag of 45 minutes. We're gonna use a bucket of compound. It can be red top, blue top, black top, purple, orange, whatever color you want to use. So we usually use the red top. This is in Connecticut, or the blue top from Home Depot. Okay. So we're gonna mix the Durabond with a half of a compound, and then we're gonna do the first coat. Let it sit for a little bit to be able to apply the next coat.